Hi everyone and welcome to my video. I am Rebecca, the insurance lady, and I'm going to go over some more insurance concepts in order to help you to understand a little more about how homeowners policy works. I'm mainly going to talk about who is insured, and then I'll close with an example of an exam question. So you can find out who's insured on a policy by looking at the definitions page. Typically, the definitions will define for you the name insured. So who is the name insured? It will define who are the insureds, what is the insured location, what's in property damage, what's in bodily injury, and what is considered the resident premises. In this video, I'm going to talk about who's insured. So I'm going to be focusing on the name insured and the insureds. So the name insured is the person named on the declarations page, including spouse, if married. The name insured is the person who generally owns the policy. This person can make any changes or any adjustments to the policy. They are the policy holder. So while the name insured is insured on a homeowner's policy because they are the policy holders, there are people who are considered insured on a homeowner's policy as well and are covered under the policy due to living in the household and having insurable interests. The insureds include children who are under the age of 24 and away at school, anyone else under the care of the name insured, age 21, and then any relatives living in the home. They are all considered insured. So the name insured can make changes to their policy, but the people who are considered insureds cannot, even though they are covered under the policy. So if you are the name insureds or insureds on a home policy, there's no coverage for you for medical. So Section 2 of a home policy is only going to cover your liabilities for damage or injury of someone else that is not insured on the policy. So please note that medical payments to the insured are not covered, and that's in Section 2. Liability payments to the insured are not covered, and that's in Section 2. Only payments made to the insured will be under Section 1 property coverages. So liability protects the insured in the event that they are responsible for injury to someone else, such as a guest in the home. If they're injured, they'd be covered under Section 2 of a home policy. Okay, so next, let's get talking about the question. It's an exam question, may or may not be on the exam, but it will definitely help you for questions that are on the exam due to Section 2 of a home policy. So medical coverage on a homeowner's policy covers. So remember, medical payments pay for others, not the name insured and not the insured. So here's the full question. Medical coverage on a homeowner's policy covers A, a child away at college, B, injury to the insured, C, your mother visiting you from out of town for the weekend, or D, trespassers. So I'll give you a quick second. You can pause this video if you need more time. I am going to the next slide now. The correct answer is C, your mother visiting you from out of town for the weekend. Now, this could be tricky because when you think of the insured's mother, you're thinking of a relative of the insured. However, since mom is not a resident of the home and she's visiting the home on a short-term basis, she's still considered a guest. And Section 2 of a home policy coverage F medical payments pay for guest injuries. And that is why C is the correct answer. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope you got some good info for the brain. Remember to hit like and subscribe. There are more videos where this came from. Also, I have a 35-minute video on my website that will help you study homeowners insurance. If you like my teaching style, please support my page listed below. For those of you who are looking for some affordable material, I am partnered with Kaplan Financial Education. Use the link below and get a discount on any of their products. They have full-on courses. They will help you pass your exam. There is also a test bank that they provide with lots of relevant questions. So just click on the link, select your state, and review the products. Thank you again for watching. I am Rebecca, and I am your insurance lady.